Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from the Worldcoin app. First, open the World app and go to the Wallet section. Now, tap the menu icon and select Withdraw. Then choose the token you want to withdraw. Here, select your withdrawal method to fiat account or to crypto app. For fiat, pick a provider like Ramp or MoonPay. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw and tap Continue. Complete the process to the external provider's website if required. After that, tap Confirm Withdrawal and wait for processing. Check your bank or crypto app for the incoming funds. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.